What's up, everybody? Welcome back to another episode of Stocks with You. I'm your host, Ulises Herrera, and I'm very excited, guys. Please remember to like, subscribe, hit the notification bell. Please remember to watch the videos, sooner than later. They are time sensitive, so some of these things we do have to keep in mind that they are probably, if I'm talking about it, it's going to be relevant to what's going on at the moment. So make sure you subscribe and hit those notification bells. I got some great news for you today. I just want to give you a quick update on what's going on in the crypto market, what's going on really with the stock market, but mainly having to do with crypto. In today's video, we're going to talk about Bitcoin, what's going on there, some major exciting news. We're going to talk about a little bit of Dogecoin, and we're going to go over a little bit about some tax information. So please stay tuned to the end of the video, guys. If you want to hear what's going on, and if you want to just kind of get some insights about taxes, just a little minor thing I'm going to go into. So stay tuned. All right, guys, I'm not going to waste your time. Without further ado, let's get to it. So, guys, Tesla slash Elon Musk. So Tesla invested or bought $1.5 billion of Bitcoin. Yes, you heard that with a B, 1.5 billion. So when you have a company, such a recognizable company such as Tesla, going into this cryptocurrency sphere, that's a major news. Like, people are excited. People are like, whoa, if Elon Musk, the richest man in the world, is going into this, that means I want to get a piece of the pie. That's really what everybody else is thinking right now. Everybody else is starting to rethink to themselves, holy crap, this whole Bitcoin thing is really starting to take off. Even though it actually has been taking off for quite a while, it's now getting the recognition it deserves. Bitcoin will be the gold standard of the world. I think that's what it's gonna happen. That's me. I think Bitcoin will eventually be the gold standard of the world. I'm not saying that's gonna happen today or tomorrow, but I do think it will happen. I'm pretty darn sure that we're gonna be using Bitcoin as the gold standard of the world, and it's gonna be the gold standard to every other cryptocurrency, meaning cryptocurrencies are gonna be measured to the value of Bitcoin. So, your coin is gonna be X, Y, and Z valued at whatever Bitcoin is currently running. So, kind of like the dollar. The dollar is right now is the gold standard of the world. Even though it's a faith-based currency, we are not backed by the gold standard anymore. So, kind of iffy, but that's where things are going. On other news, guys, let's see. You got MasterCard, you got Morgan Stanley, you got the SEC talking about Bitcoin. So it's getting some major news right now, in Bitcoin prices and really cryptocurrency crisis. Can't speak today. Cryptocurrency prices are shooting up all over the crypto markets. There's coins giving you 20, 30, 40, 50, 60% returns just today, yesterday, the day before that. So the market's it's definitely on a hype train right now. There's definitely a lot of excitement going around in Bitcoin and cryptocurrencies and Ethereum, that there's a lot of money to be made. So if you're keeping track of what's going on, you can actually make money. I'm not telling you guys when to go in or where not to go in, but just remember that you can make money in these things. You just got to know exactly what to look for. But I'm telling you guys, cryptocurrency, there's a lot going on in there. So just heads up. Morgan Stanley, a major heavy hitter in the banking industry, a bank that I'm pretty sure everybody knows, they're thinking of buying Bitcoin, if they're not already quietly buying Bitcoin, of course, because by the time they're already telling you about something, usually they're already have started doing it or have already done it. So we're not expecting for Morgan Stanley to just be transparent with us and tell us exactly when they're gonna buy their Bitcoins, but I guarantee you they're gonna buy Bitcoins, and that's gonna cause the Bitcoin price to shoot up once again. So anybody who's in Bitcoin right now, I would suggest you stay in Bitcoin. The bull run has been going on for quite a while. I believe we have still a fair amount of running room in the bull run for this year. Maybe after this year we might see some tapering off. We're gonna see some people taking profits once we get to whatever target price it's supposed to reach at. There's talks of, you know, 50, 75, $100,000 per coin. I personally do have some Bitcoin as well, and I'm pretty excited about that. I also have Ethereum, so these Ethereum coins are predicted to be at 2,500 to 3,000 at least by a couple of weeks, maybe even 2 months. We'll see. I mean, that would be a very nice return. That's, you know, doubling your money for anybody who got in under $1,000 a coin, or even $1,500 a coin. So anybody who's in the cryptocurrency sphere right now is probably making money. Do I encourage anybody to get into Bitcoin? Look, Bitcoin is a long forward thinking project. So we're talking 5, 10 years, 20 years, 30 years. So if you're getting into Bitcoin now, you're probably not gonna see huge returns in the short term. And now if you're gonna hold the coin for like 10, 20 years, yeah, you'll probably be happy about, you know, your purchase. But Bitcoin is very expensive. So if you're gonna try to buy a coin, you're likely gonna buy a fractional share of the coin, meaning you're only gonna buy like what certain amount of satoshis, meaning a piece of the actual coins. They're called satoshis, kind of like dimes and nickels and pennies. We call them satoshis on Bitcoin. So they're the decimal point over of whatever amount of coin you have. So I don't encourage you guys buying Bitcoin on Robinhood, because you don't actually own the coin and you cannot actually transfer the coin out of Robinhood. So if you're gonna wanna buy and actually own cryptocurrency, you may wanna use an actual cryptocurrency exchange like Coinbase, Binance, Uphold. You know, there's many of them out there, but if you're just trying to look for the monetary value gain on the coin, then yeah, you can buy it on Robinhood. Just remember, you're not gonna actually own the coin. You're just gonna make the underlying asset value price increase in the coin. So you'll benefit from the price increase, but you won't actually own the coin. So it just really depends on what you're trying to do. And also, just remember, the SEC is still trying to clear up those rules on Bitcoin and how, you know, if you're selling it, what your taxes are gonna be. So just remember about taxes, guys. Taxes are very important to keep track of, because if you're a trader, it goes in two ways. You're either gonna be taxed as a long-term investment, meaning 1 or more years, or you're gonna be taxed as a day trader, meaning you're gonna be taxed at whatever current tax rate you fall under. So if you're whatever, you know, if you're on the 15% or 20%, 25%, you may, if you're making good money in the stock market, it may push you to a higher tax bracket, and you may need to pay a little bit more taxes in the short term. So just remember that, guys. You need to remember about taxes, because it's early enough in the year so you guys can remember, oh, you know, I gotta put away some money for my taxes. Whatever tax bracket you fall under, you're likely going to be paying that amount in taxes. So if you're doing long term, then you're not too worried. You know, you're probably going to pay a 15 to 20% capital gains. But if you're doing short term trading, please remember you're going to have to pay taxes. So don't go splurging all your gains and then later on be stuck with a tax bill. So please remember about taxes. Next thing, what's going on with Dogecoin? Dogecoin, holy moly. Well, right now Dogecoin's been trading a little bit like, it doesn't have a certain bottom, it doesn't have a certain top. We're still seeing major movements in Dogecoin, meaning it goes up, it goes down. You can still make money playing the currency, you know, intraday, or you know, or just in one day. You can buy it at 0.5, sell it at 0.6, make some money, take your money and run. As I remember, as you guys remember, I mentioned before that you could play Dogecoin two ways. You can play short term or long term, or you can play both. You can play, I have a short term portfolio and I have a long term portfolio. Coins I'm just leaving there forever until, you know, they're worth $100 billion or whatever. And then we're all like, you know, woo, dancing with like champagne bottles or whatnot. We'll see. Also, Dogecoin is, if anybody pays attention to Pornhub, and I'm sure none of you guys here do, yeah, Dogecoin is taking, Pornhub is taking Dogecoin as forms of payment, forms of, you know, I believe as a tipping system, so as a tips. So that's pretty interesting, right? It's pretty exciting, kind of. I mean, it's a recognizable name. Yes, Pornhub is, you know, pornographic website. We all obviously know that. But the fact that it's such a major website is taking Dogecoin into consideration. And there's also other, you know, companies looking into actually using Dogecoin as a form of currency. So that could be pretty exciting. That could mean more potential catalysts, meaning more potential reasons why the stock would go up or down. Once again, I don't know where Dogecoin is gonna end up one day, but here we are 10 years later, and Bitcoin is worth $49,000 a coin, when 10 years ago, 12 years ago, is worth 200 to 300. Everybody was laughing at me when I was saying these things, that these coins were gonna be, you know, very valuable. So right now we're all looking at Dogecoin like, is it really gonna be that valuable? Who knows? But I'm just telling you guys, I'm holding some of these coins for a very long time and waiting for Elon Musk to boom, 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 push it through the moon. So that's that on Dogecoin, guys. And that's pretty much it, guys. I just wanted to give you guys a heads up. Very excited about what's going on in the market. So, you know, Bitcoin, altcoin, Dogecoin, Ethereum, you know, Cardano, XRP, all these coins, they're all going up. So please just look into the crypto sphere and look on what kind of coins are going up, what they do, and you can make money. So I'm just pointing you guys towards the direction. Once again, remember, guys, I am not a financial advisor, and I cannot give you actually any financial advice. I'm just advising you how I'm making money, you know, what things I'm looking for and what I'm doing. So once again, you guys have a great day, and I'll see you in the next one. And please remember, you can always get out of the rat race too. Like and subscribe. Thanks, guys. I'll see you on the next one.